Tonight, protests over police brutality continue after George Floyd was killed by a Minneapolis police officer. His murder, the latest blow to the African-American community, which has been disproportionately struggling with unemployment and coronavirus. 41 Action News reporter Ariel Rothfield looks at what some are calling a pandemic within a pandemic. Ariel?
Well, Dia, right now we are on the plaza and it is another peaceful night of protests. Take a look. You can see there are a couple dozen protesters across the street at the fountain. There are Kansas City police officers blocking off some intersection for traffic as another group continues to march with the same message.
What's his name? George Floyd! Say his name! George Floyd!
It is a call for change that has echoed on the plaza, downtown, in Overland Park, and KCK, with thousands of people gathering, demanding for an end to racial injustice, carrying signs, and marching for miles, all while fighting another inequity, the coronavirus.
There were 74 deaths in Wyandotte County. Of those 74, 39 were African American. So that's greater than 50% of the deaths have occurred in a population of people that only make up 23% of the population. That's a problem.
And it's not just Wyandotte County. In Kansas City, the African-American community has also been disproportionately impacted by the virus. Almost 40% of people testing positive are Black, even though they only make up about 30% of the city's population.
It tells me that we still have the biggest problem in America all along. We have a health inequity. We have a system that's just not designed to provide adequate health care,
including a lack of access to health care, like testing and health insurance, an inability to work from home, and income inequality.
And this is an attempt to try to alleviate as much of that as we possibly can.
At State Avenue and North 94th Street in KCK, pop-up testing is being used to make that change. While across the country and the metro, it's the voices of thousands now driving the message, demanding change, equality, and a right to live.
There's no question about what the problem is. The challenge is there willingness in this country to change?
Reporting in Kansas City, Ariel Rothfield, 41 Action News.